Welcome to the DCC Museum.
Hi and welcome back at the museum. Interesting package arrived today from France where a seller named Henri bought early 90s the Depeche Mode album we were missing, Songs of Faith and Devotion. After he heard the story of the DCC Museum, he was willing to sell it to us at a reasonable price. It was still expensive, but thanks to all the Patreons we were able to acquire it. The reason why we're doing a video about it is that next to the other album, Violator, we know that Mute Records did put some hidden information regarding lyrics as ITTS information on the Violator album, and we wanted to see how we can compare this to the Songs of Faith and Devotion. In this video we will show you the results. Like we have shown in a previous video, there is ITTS information stored on each individual DCC. Most information, like artist, track and album title, are visible on the display of the player, but there is more information if you own the ITTS video box. The engineers at Mute Records, responsible for the Violator album by Depeche Mode, tried to actually show the lyrics on the Violator album, but made a small mistake where it would only show for a fraction of a second. So we were keen to get our hands on the other album, Songs of Faith and Devotion, to see if it had the same and hopefully better information. One of the projects the DCC Museum is planning for the future is to actually recreate a device that you can use externally to show this information. But as the progress is slow for this project, we will do a video on that topic once we actually have something to show. The menu of the Songs of Faith and Devotion looks the same, with the overkill on advertisement from Mute Records on top. Once we clicked on the lyrics button, nothing really happened, which could be normal as the lyrics had not started. But when clicking the artist information, the first page of the lyrics appeared. It also had a scroll down function on the bottom right to go to the next page. The actual lyrics button never worked on this album for the ITTS video box and only showed a black screen. The manual scroll indicates a situation we have also seen with the Doro artist albums done by the Vertigo label. A full page of text rather than synchronous line by line like karaoke. The manual scroll was not how it was intended by design. Back to Depeche Mode. It's pretty clear that the Mute but also the Vertigo label might not have had access to the ITTS box to verify the results before releasing their albums. We know that Philips was working on several options for ITTS. There were two prototypes that had a bigger display built in to show multi-line ITTS information. This is most likely also why our box has the option to show one line for conventional players, 2 lines for new to be developed players and 21 lines for hooking up this video box to your display or TV. When we selected the 2 lines option for the Songs of Faith and Devotion, it will start scrolling automatically but not in sync with the lyrics. The 1 line option did not show any information. The album button shows more detailed information about this release and fan club. The special button did not reveal any new information. We hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.